Windows open versus AC. The ultimate fuel-saving myth busted. For decades, drivers have repeated the same advice like it's automotive law. Turn off the air conditioning, roll down the windows, and you'll save fuel. It sounds simple, even logical, especially if you grew up with older cars where AC systems noticeably slowed the engine down. But modern vehicles have changed almost everything about that equation. Today's cars are shaped by wind tunnel testing, computer-controlled engines, adaptive climate systems, and aerodynamic designs that didn't exist in earlier generations. What once worked as a general rule can now backfire depending on speed, vehicle type, and driving conditions. In fact, in many modern cars, rolling down your windows at highway speeds can waste more fuel than using the AC itself. The truth is more complex and far more interesting than the myth most drivers still believe. Let's watch. 1. The aerodynamics truth that changed everything. To understand why the Windows Save Fuel idea is outdated, you have to start with aerodynamics. Every vehicle moving through air experiences drag, which increases exponentially with speed. At city speeds, airflow resistance is relatively low, so opening windows has only a small impact. But once you cross into highway driving, the situation changes completely. Modern vehicles are designed to be as aerodynamic as possible, with smooth body lines, underbody shielding, and carefully shaped mirrors to reduce turbulence. When windows are opened, air flows into the cabin and creates chaotic turbulence. That turbulence doesn't just stay inside, it spills outward, disrupting the smooth airflow around the vehicle. The result is increased drag, meaning the engine must burn more fuel to maintain speed. At higher speeds, this aerodynamic penalty grows rapidly, often exceeding the energy cost of running air conditioning. This is why manufacturers test vehicles in wind tunnels with closed windows as the default efficiency condition. 2. How air conditioning became surprisingly efficient. Older cars were heavily impacted by AC use because compressors were mechanically driven by the engine at full load whenever activated. That meant a noticeable drop in performance and fuel economy. But modern systems have evolved dramatically. Many newer vehicles use variable displacement compressors that adjust cooling output based on demand instead of running at full capacity constantly. Hybrid vehicles take this further by using electric compressors that operate independently of engine load. Even traditional internal combustion vehicles now use smarter thermal management systems that cycle the compressor efficiently instead of running continuously. Some systems even coordinate with engine control units to optimize fuel injection while the AC is running. The result is a major shift. Air conditioning no longer creates the massive fuel penalty it once did. In many modern cars, especially at steady cruising speeds, the AC's energy demand is relatively stable and often lower than the aerodynamic penalty caused by open windows. 3. The speed threshold that determines everything. The most important factor in this entire debate is speed. Fuel efficiency is not linear. It changes dramatically depending on how fast you drive. At low speeds, typically less than 50 to 60 kilometers per h, rolling down windows usually has a smaller impact on fuel consumption than running the AC. Air resistance is minimal, and engines are operating under light load, so the additional drag is not significant enough to outweigh AC usage. However, once you enter highway speeds, everything flips. Air resistance increases exponentially, and open windows disrupt the carefully designed airflow around the vehicle. This creates drag forces that grow rapidly with speed. At this point, using air conditioning with closed windows becomes more fuel efficient than relying on natural airflow. Automotive testing consistently confirms this crossover point, showing that the Windows Save Fuel rule only applies in limited low-speed scenarios, not in modern highway driving conditions. 4. Cabin pressure, turbulence, and hidden energy loss. Modern vehicles are engineered as sealed aerodynamic systems. Every detail from door seals to roof curvature is optimized to reduce resistance and maintain smooth airflow. When windows are open, this system is broken. Air rushes into the cabin, creating internal pressure differences that disrupt external airflow patterns. This leads to micro-turbulence zones around the vehicle, especially near side mirrors and rear pillars. These small disturbances may seem insignificant, but at higher speeds they create measurable drag. SUVs and boxier vehicles experience this effect even more strongly because their shape already produces more air resistance than sedans. Even high-efficiency aerodynamic designs lose a portion of their advantage when cabin airflow is disrupted. This is why manufacturers spend millions designing vehicles in wind tunnels with closed windows as a baseline condition. The aerodynamic system only works as intended when the cabin remains sealed. 5. Why modern climate control systems are smarter than ever. Today's air conditioning systems are not just cooling units, they are intelligent climate control ecosystems. Many modern cars use multi-zone automatic climate systems that adjust temperature, airflow direction, and fan speed independently for each passenger. Advanced sensors measure cabin temperature, sunlight intensity, humidity, and even windshield heat load. Some vehicles use infrared sensors to detect passenger body heat and adjust cooling output accordingly. Instead of blasting cold air continuously, these systems regulate energy use in small, efficient cycles. Some manufacturers also integrate predictive climate control. These systems anticipate temperature changes based on weather data and sunlight angle, pre-cooling or reducing compressor load before conditions become extreme. Because of these advancements, AC systems often operate at a fraction of the energy consumption drivers expect. In many modern vehicles, especially at steady highway speeds, climate control becomes a highly optimized system rather than a fuel-draining accessory. 6. Electric vehicles completely rewrote the rulebook. Electric vehicles have completely transformed this debate. Unlike traditional cars, EVs do not use engine-driven compressors. Instead, AC systems draw energy directly from the battery. This makes energy consumption visible in real time through range estimates, which often surprises new EV drivers. However, studies and real-world data show something important. Aerodynamic drag caused by open windows has a much larger impact on range than climate control in many conditions. The debate between air conditioning and open windows is no longer a simple yes or no answer. Modern vehicles have evolved into highly engineered aerodynamic and thermal systems where efficiency depends on speed, design, and technology. At low speeds, open windows can still offer small savings, but at highway speeds, aerodynamic drag makes them a hidden fuel cost. Meanwhile, today's advanced climate systems are far more efficient than older generations, especially in hybrids and electric vehicles. The real breakthrough understands that fuel efficiency is no longer governed by outdated habits, but by modern engineering principles. Once you recognize how air resistance, compressor efficiency, and vehicle design interact, you stop relying on myths and start making informed decisions. In today's cars, knowledge, not tradition, is what truly saves fuel. Let us know in the comments what you think about windows open versus AC, the ultimate fuel-saving myth busted. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.